Yes, I do. Unfortunately, the bridge leading to the island. Luckily, wow, you must really be out. Dragon pulses allow quick, easy travel over long distances. Well, it's only. You know what? Fair warning, though. He's a find Old Man Cho.
Yeah!
You are now the party leader.
Cricket. By the time you read this letter, and by gone, I mean dead. Just wanted to make that clear. I know sometimes you need things spelled out. You know, I wish I could be there to see the look on your face from that last joke. I wish I could be there to see you master the Hong Moon arts. But the truth is, you don't need my help. You've got what it takes to finish. Keep that in mind. The fate of the Hong Moon School is now in your hands, Cricket. It's up to you now to learn and spread Master Hong's teachings. One last thing I need you to do for me, Cricket. No, it's not more training. It's more of a treasure hunt. It's hidden by the big tree in front of the shrine in Jadestone Village. Hope you like it. P.S. I'm still way better at martial arts than you.
A clan member has connected to the server. You have acquired a new quest item.
Entry 35. I feel my... Entry 41. With any luck, I'll be able to teach Cricket everything before the corruption takes me. Oh, who am I kidding? Entry 46. Not sure if Cricket notices what's happening to me. Maybe Cricket's just being polite. I feel nauseous. Entry 49. I don't think I can go any further. I only have one lesson left in me. Cricket has exceeded my expectations. Entry 50. I wrote a final letter to Cricket and will bury this diary and my Hong Moon uniform under a tree. I hope Cricket wears this uniform and remembers the...